All right, guys, we got a 1987 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme 2-door coupe. Look at this thing. He's restoring it, so we got the exhaust fixed for him. His cross member pipe was broke there to there, so we put him a new one with a new flange and everything, as you guys can see there. Then it runs into a single, both of them go into a single outlet right there. And what we did is put a new converter, high flow, right there. His evap don't work, we just clamped it off and welded it for him. As you guys can see there's the catalytic converter. Then we ran 2 1/4 pipe out to a double DYNOMAX race bullet right there, as you guys can see. Part number 24250. There'll be a link in the description for them. We put them back to back, 2 of them. And then we just dumped it and put them a new hanger on it also, just to hang it up. Look at that. Hanger there and hanger there. So that's what it looks like. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. Hope you guys like it. This was on it, all rotted out, all original. We took all that off and threw it away. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. So make sure you guys, if you're in the area, come say hi. And if you're not, hit that subscribe button. Sounds good. Oh yeah, much better. Compared to when it came in, it was open manifolds, really loud. A double DYNOMAX bullet sounds so much better. Here it is on the bottom. Here's sound decibels. Right at 97. Again. Go ahead and back it up. Oldsmobile Cutlass. Double DYNOMAX bullets. It's got the original motor in it too, guys. Nice gold color. Good starter project for somebody. What do you guys think of the sound? Let us know in the comments. Again. All right. Let you guys hear it on the inside.